How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. After that, tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see that we have turned our personal account to professional account, so switch it to the personal account. Tap the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Select Creator Tools and Control under for Professionals. Now on the section, scroll down and then tap Switch Account Type. Tap Switch to Personal Account and again tap Switch to Personal Account. Once you have done that, your issue will be fixed. But doing this step still your issue has not been fixed, then you have to update your Instagram app from Play Store or App Store. Launch Play Store or App Store. Select the search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top of the screen. Type in Instagram application, and then if you find any updates of Instagram, simply you have to select the update button and then update it to the latest version. The third step to follow is simply clearing cache of Instagram. Tap and hold Instagram app, tap I button in order to access your app info page of Instagram. Tap storage uses. Now select clear cache button. Once you do that, lastly you need to reinstall the app by tapping and holding and selecting the trash button at top right corner of the screen. Tap on the Uninstall button and from the Play Store or App Store again install and your issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.